Watch out for the shock, it's coming.
Tonga volcano blasted unprecedented amount of water into atmosphere. Researchers say the water, enough to fill 58,000 swimming pools, may temporarily warm the climate and deplete stratospheric ozone. The Tonga Ha'apai eruption lasted less than a day, but it unleashed the most water vapor into the atmosphere by a volcano on record. Researchers say the blast may temporarily warm surface temperatures in years to come and also deplete stratospheric ozone. The underwater volcano erupted and sent a shockwave that reverberated around the world. The powerful blast ejected aerosols, gas, steam and ash 36 miles high, probably the highest volcanic plume in satellite records. The blast damaged more than 100 homes and took at least 3 lives on the island of Tonga. A new study also shows the volcano released an unprecedented amount of water vapor, a strong greenhouse gas that traps heat on Earth. NASA satellite data show the volcano launched more than 146 teragrams of water, enough to fill 58,000 Olympic-sized swimming pools, to Earth's second layer of the atmosphere, known as the stratosphere, where the ozone layer is located and just above where airplanes fly. The study stated the amount released is equivalent to 10% of the water already in the stratosphere. This is the first time that this type of injection happened in the entire satellite era, which includes water vapor data back to 1995, said Luis Millan, lead study author and atmospheric scientist at NASA. "We have never seen anything like this before, so that was quite impressive." Volcanic eruptions eject many different types of gases and particles. Most eruptions, including Tonga, release particles that cool Earth's surface by reflecting sunlight back into space, but they typically dissipate after 2 to 3 years. Very few, however, blast water vapor so high. This water vapor can linger longer in the atmosphere, 5 to 10 years, and trap heat on Earth's surface.